Welcome to StickyLife.com. This is our design tool. I'm just going to kind of give you a brief overview of how the design tool works. It's really easy to use, and a lot of our customers feel hesitation about using a tool they don't know or don't understand. But if you stick with it, through this short little video, I think you'll learn a lot, and you'll see the benefits and the features that you can do. Of course, we have other videos on our website as well as on our YouTube page that will help kind of explain things in more detail than what this video might cover. But here in this video, I'm just going to kind of cover the basic breakdown of what our design tool is set up. We've got three basic portions of our design tool. We have the left side, we have the middle, and we have the right side. On the left side, these are our tools that allow us to create the design that you want. Here in the middle is the design itself. We call it the canvas. Here in the canvas you can see that we are working with a square vinyl decal. That happens to be a 5" by 5" size. We got a ruler at the top as well as on the left. This white area is the decal. That's the active printable area within that 5" by 5" space. This is the current size that you have selected, as well as the quantity, the pricing. When you're done with your design, you can click Add to Cart. If you're working on your design but you don't have time to finish it, you can save your design to your account. So if you happen to be logged into your account, that'll be helpful. If you happen to already have a design that you've saved into your account, you can go ahead and load that through the load option. If you're not entirely sure which size you want, you don't know if you want a 4" or a 5", maybe a 6", and you have a desktop printer, use the print option. That allows you to print out your design on your desktop printer. Just know that the colors are going to be a little bit different. What you print with your desktop printer is not always going to be the same as what we print here at StickyLife. And ultimately, if you really like your design, you're like, oh, everybody that's going to love this, share that design with your friends and family. I'm sure that they'll appreciate it. Back here on the left, I'm just going to kind of briefly go over these options. Product details covers the details of the product itself. So you've got size, color, border, safety line, and alignment grid. These two features here do not print. They're just there to help you set up your design. And then we have the change product option. The change product option allows you to say, you know what, I really like this design that I've created on a decal. I want to apply that same design to an aluminum sign. Definitely helpful. We've got all kinds of different products to choose from. So that's product details. And then we have add text and add or upload your own image. So basically it breaks down into text and images. So when you add text, you just simply enter your text here. Hello world. And then of course your fonts. You can select any of the fonts that we have access to. We have over 800 different fonts to choose from. We have 35 plus different colors. When you've got your settings the way you like, go ahead and click Add Text. When you have something selected here in the design tool, you're going to notice that there's a little tiny box. It's what we call a bounding box. It just kind of is a box, a little dashed box around your design elements. In this case, it happens to be text. On the left corner, bottom corner, is a rotate option, so you can rotate your text. In the bottom right corner is like the little double arrow, so you can resize your text. And then top right corner is your trash can, so you can just remove that item. When you have something selected in the design tool, you can see here I'm selecting and deselecting it. We get a new feature here, or a new option, and that's edit. So in this case, we're going to edit text. You can go back in and you can say, you know what, give me more letter spacing so that we can open the letters up a little bit more, or you can reduce them so letters are tighter. A bunch of different features in here, and we can cover more of this in another video at a different time. It's just there's so much to cover with the design tool. Of course, then we have the add or upload image. You can upload your own images if you want to. By default, this is where you would land. This is where you would come if you selected add or upload images. So if you upload your own image, you'll just go through this terms and conditions information. Of course, you've got we have over 1 million different images to choose from. You can do a search for any kind of image you want. So it looks like we have about 27,000 images of just the sun. You can then go ahead and select the image you want, add image. That looks very peaceful. And then of course you can go ahead and also play around with our clip art. So our clip art images are set up so that way you can customize the colors on them. So it's very fun to use. Let's just say, let's pick an image here. So again, if you have something selected, you're going to have the edit option over here. So in this case, we're editing the image. You can change the colors to be whatever color you want them to be. Very handy for customers. So here you can also duplicate an image. You can align the image to the decal. You can arrange layers, bring something to the front, send something to the back. You can flip the design so that way maybe it faces a different direction. Whatever you want to do, our design tool should allow you to be able to do it. That's pretty much it for this little brief demonstration. If you happen to have any questions or need any help with anything, we do offer free design tool support. Just give us a call. We're here to help out. Yeah, so thanks so much.